Hello my dear students, this is Sir Gaurav Diman. Again welcomes you all in our Path Maths online classes. Till now dear students, we have completed 11 questions from your exercise 10.2 of your NCERT book. So today we are going to start with the question number 12. So let's read the question first. Number 12 states that find the equation of a line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passes through the point 2, 3. It is given that we want to find the equation of a line which is making equal intercepts on your coordinate axis. This is something like this. This is your y-axis and x-axis. Line is there which is making equal intercept on your x-axis as well as your y-axis. Means if this point is your a comma 0, then this point will also be 0 comma a. Means equal intercepts are making as a comma 0 and 0 comma a by this line. And this is also given that this point is passing through the point 2 comma 3. This is your point passing through point 2 comma 3. अब बच्चों इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन लिखने के लिए वी रिक्वायर्ड ऑलवेज स्लोप एंड अ पॉइंट, या फिर 2 पॉइंट, और या फिर हमें y इंटरसेप्ट पता हो साथ में स्लोप पता हो तो हम इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन लिख सकते हैं. और देयर इज ऑल्सो अ फॉर्म विच इज नॉन एज इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म दैट कैन ऑल्सो बी यूज इफ intercepts are given to you with x axis as well as your y axis. As we have taken this line is making intercept a comma 0 and 0 comma a, then the equation of line in intercept form will be given by x by a plus y by a is equal to 1, because equation of line making intercepts a and b with x axis and y axis respectively is given by x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. अगर कोई भी इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन लिखनी है जो कि इंटरसेप्ट क्रिएट करती है एक्स एक्सिस पर और वाई एक्सिस पर एज a and b, then its equation is given as this one. So because here the x intercept is a and the y intercept is also a, so the equation of line will be x by a plus y by a is equal to 1, and it can be further written as x plus y is equal to a by taking a as LCM. Now let's see this equation of line. This line is also passing through the point 2, 3. So अगर कोई भी लाइन किसी पॉइंट से पास करती है तो 100% that will satisfy the equation of the line also. So this point 2, 3 will satisfy this equation. So let me replace x by 2 and y by 3. So this equation will be your 2 plus 3 is equal to a implies a is equal to 5. So the equation of line will be your x plus y is equal to 5 by putting the value of a as 5. This is the equation of line. This was the question number 12. Let's see the question number 13 now. Question number 13 states that find the equation of line passing through the point 2, 2 and cutting off intercepts on the axis whose sum is 9. It is something similar as your question number 12 was, but in this question number 12 it is given that the line is making equal intercepts, but here the line is given in such a way that it is making intercepts on x-axis and y-axis such that the sum of the intercepts made by this line will be equal to 9. So let us consider any line which is making intercept on x-axis and y-axis such that the sum of its intercepts are equal to 9. So let us take this line as AB creating x-axis at the point a comma 0 and 0 comma b at y-axis. देखिए ये लाइन है और ये लाइन एक्स एक्सिस पर a comma 0 पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट करती है और b पॉइंट y एक्सिस को b पॉइंट पर 0 comma b पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट करती है and this is also given that the sum of the intercepts is your equal to 9. This is given to you. This is very much clear that the equation of line which we want to find is making intercepts on x-axis and y-axis in such a way that the sum of intercepts made by this line will be equal to 9. This is equal to a plus b is equal to 9. Now we know that in intercept form the equation of line AB is given by x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is given to you. Actually this is a standard form of equation of line making intercepts a comma 0 and 0 comma b on x-axis and y-axis respectively is this one. First of all, as this line is passing through the point 2 comma 2 implies this point 2 comma 2 will satisfy the equation of the given line. Let this is number 2. So this is 2 by a plus 2 by b is equal to 1. From equation number 1 you can find the value of b as 9 minus a. Put this value in equation number 3, you will get 2 by a plus 2 upon 9 minus a is equal to 1. Take the LCM. LCM is your a of 9 minus a. So this is 2 times of 9 minus a plus 2 times of a is equal to 1 implies 18 minus 2a plus 2a is equal to 9a minus a square. I just cross multiply the denominator. So this is your 9a square minus 9a plus 18 is equal to 0. बच्चों देखिए हमें क्या मिल गया है, ए स्क्वायर की फॉर्म में क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन मिल गई है और इसको सोल्व करके यू कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ ए फ्रॉम एयर. द फैक्टर्स विल बी और मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 18 आना चाहिए और ऐड करें तो -9 एंड दिस विल बी और गिवन बाय दिस इज योर 6 and 3. -6 and -3 are the numbers which will be multiplied together will give 18 and add will be -9. So this is a square minus 6a minus 3a plus 18 is equal to 0. A is common, a minus 6 minus 3 of a minus 6 is equal to 0 implies a minus 6 a minus 3 is equal to 0 and it implies the value of a will be either 3 or 6. So whenever a is your 3, let me take here, whenever a is your 3 then the b will be your 6 and whenever a is your 6 then b will be your 3. So two equations can be obtained by using the value of a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 6, a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 3. So the line equation की क्या होगी हमारी, अगर पहला केस लेते हैं तो x by 3 plus y by 6 is equal to 1 और this may be और x by 6 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. So this is the equation of line which is passing through the point 2 comma 2 and it is intersecting the x-axis and y-axis in such a way that the sum of intercepts are equal to 9. So dear students, now let's do the question number 14 and the question number 14 is very much easy. It should be your homework. Let me illustrate the question 14. First of all, find the equation of line through the point 0 comma 2. We want to write down the equation of a line which is passing through the point 0 comma 2. Point is given to you and making an angle 2 pi by 3 with your positive x-axis और ये लाइन x-axis के साथ 2,3 पॉइंट 2 pi by 3 एंगल फॉर्म करती है. मीन्स पॉइंट आपको डायरेक्टली गिवन है और x-axis के साथ ये लाइन एंगल बनाती है 2 pi by 3. इट मीन्स स्लोप भी आप निकाल सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग फॉर्मूला tan थीटा और थीटा कितना है 2 pi by 3. सो स्लोप विल बी टेंजेंट ऑफ 2 pi by 3. इसकी वैल्यू निकालनी पड़ेगी, आप निकाल सकते हैं and the point is also given to you as 0 comma 2. So slope point slope form can be used for finding the equation of line. And in this question further it is also given that also find the equation of line parallel to it. एक और इक्वेशन हमें निकालनी किसी लाइन की जो इस पहली वाली लाइन के पैरेलल हो और पहली वाली लाइन की इक्वेशन निकालने के बाद जब हमें स्लोप पता चल जाता है पहली वाली लाइन का, तो दूसरी वाली लाइन का स्लोप भी हमें सेम मिलेगा, क्योंकि दोनों लाइन पैरेलल हैं। और जब दो लाइन पैरेलल होती हैं तो दोनों के स्लोप कैसे होते हैं? इक्वल होते हैं। सो इक्वल स्लोप होने की वजह से दूसरी लाइन जो हम निकालना चाहते हैं उसका स्लोप हमें मिल गया है। साथ साथ उन्होंने ये बोला है कि दिस इज क्रॉसिंग द वाई एक्सिस एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 2 यूनिट्स बिलो द ओरिजिन। ओरिजिन से 2 यूनिट बिलो उसको क्रॉस भी करती है। स्लोप ऑलरेडी हमें पता है, और पॉइंट जिससे लाइन पास करती है वो भी हमें गिवन है एज 0, -2। क्लियर है? इट शुड बी और डन बाय you, my dear students. So this is your homework for all of you. Question number 14. Let me do the question number 15 now. What the question number 15 states? सबसे पहले बच्चों आपको स्टेटमेंट क्लियर होनी चाहिए। स्टेटमेंट क्या कहती है, क्या निकालना चाहते हैं और क्या आपको गिवन है, और ये सब आपको पता होने के बाद यू कैन फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन वेरी इजीली। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 states that the perpendicular from the origin to a line, perpendicular from the origin to a line meets it at a point -2, 9. Find the equation of line. I think this should be done by yourself also. चलो फिर भी मैं एक डायग्राम आपको लेके बता देता हूँ। क्वेश्चन क्या कहता है कि ओरिजिन से किसी भी लाइन को जब वो लाइन मीट करती है तो -2, 9 पर इंटरसेक्ट करती है, तो इस केस में आपको इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन बतानी है। लेट दिस इज योर द वाई एक्सिस, दिस इज योर एक्स एक्सिस। लेट दिस इज द पॉइंट एंड दिस इज योर द लाइन। एंड ओरिजिन से जब ये लाइन परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करते हैं इस पॉइंट पर, तो वो -2, 9 पर इसको इंटरसेक्ट करती है, ऐसा आपको दिया हुआ है। वी वॉन्ट टू फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन ए बी। क्वेश्चन ये कहता है कि ओरिजिन से जब किसी लाइन पर परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करते हैं तो वो -2, 9 पर उस लाइन को इंटरसेक्ट करती है, तो इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन आपने ए बी फाइंड आउट करनी है। One thing is very much clear that this line CD is perpendicular to AB, or the line AB is also passing through the point -2, 9. और ये सेम क्वेश्चन हम कर चुके हैं विच वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर योर 10, जिसके अंदर एक लाइन जिस पॉइंट से पास करती है वो आपको गिवन है और वो लाइन दूसरी लाइन पर परपेंडिकुलर भी है। नाउ point is already we have already the point given to us as -2, 9, but we require the slope of the line AB। हमें सिर्फ slope of line AB चाहिए, और AB का slope निकालने के लिए we can use the slope of CD because D is the point which is known as origin, and -2, 9 is also given to you, so we can find the slope of CD। और जैसे ही slope का CD का slope मिलेगा आपको, वैसे ही उसका negative reciprocal आपका slope of AB भी होगा। So let me find the slope of CD first. Slope of CD can be obtained by formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and this is your -9 upon 2. This is the slope of CD. 0 minus 9 upon 0 plus 2. Now what will be the slope of AB? Slope of AB is given by 2/9 because बोथ आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर। दोनों लाइन आपस में परपेंडिकुलर हैं, और जब दो लाइन परपेंडिकुलर होती हैं तो उनके स्लोप की प्रोडक्ट -1 के इक्वल होती है। पहले भी बता चुका हूं मैं आप लोगों को कि अगर कोई दो लाइन परपेंडिकुलर हैं और उनमें से किसी एक लाइन का स्लोप आपको मिलता है तो दूसरी लाइन का स्लोप उसका नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल होगा। सो थ्रू दैट प्रोसेस आई ऑब्टेन द स्लोप ऑफ ए बी विच इज़ 2/9। Now I have the point through which the line is passing, which is -2, 9. So the equation of line AB is given by y minus y1. y1 कौन है? 9. Slope कितना है? 2/9. x minus x1, which is your 2. So this can be simplified as your 9y minus 81 is equal to 2x plus 4, or 2x minus 9 plus 85 is equal to 0. So this is your the equation of the line and the solution for the question number 15. Now dear students, let's do the question number 16. First of all, let's read the question number 16. The question number 16 states that the length L, which is in centimeter, of a copper rod is a linear function of its Celsius temperature C. कोई भी लेंथ L जो कि सेंटीमीटर में मेजरमेंट की जाती है कॉपर रोड के लिए, वो एक लीनियर फंक्शन है उसके टेम्परेचर C के लिए। और इस एक्सपेरिमेंट के अंदर अगर L की वैल्यू 124.942 है, कब? जब C की वैल्यू 20 होती है, और L की वैल्यू 125.134 है, कब? जब वो C की वैल्यू 110 होती है। तो L को C की फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस कीजिएगा, L which is a linear function of C. And my dear students, because L is a linear function of C, it implies the value of L and C will surely be on a line. Let us see, this is your, if L and C, which is your a function of linear function, is lying on a line, then the value of L, which is given, the first case is given as your, if L is your 124.942, then C is 20. And the third point, which is given as your, if L is 125.5134, then C is your 110. Then we need to express L in the form of C. Because L and C both are related in a linear form, it implies 3 points lie on a line, और 3 पॉइंट जब लाई करते हैं कि लाइन पर, it means the points are collinear, and in case whenever points are collinear, we know about the condition. Condition is that slope of, let this point is A, this is B, this is C, then slope of AB will be equal to slope of BC. In case whenever 3 points are collinear, it implies slope of AB will be equal to slope of BC. So let me find the slope of AB first. AB will be given by 20 minus C upon 124.942 minus L. x1 y1, x2 y2, तो y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to, this is your 110 minus 20 upon 125.132 minus 124.942 implies 20 minus C upon 124.942 minus L is equal to, this is your how much, 90 upon, this will be your, to be subtracted, 125.134, 124.942. This is how much, 2, and this is your 9, and this is 1 point, so this is 0.192. Cross multiply it here, this is your 0.192 into 20 minus C is equal to 90 times of 124.942 minus L. Or simply, this is your 0.192 upon 90, 20 minus C is equal to 124.942 minus L. Or simply L will be equal to, take this L on the left hand side, and 124.942 minus 0.192 upon 90 of 20 minus C. So this is the expression of L in form of C. So dear students, in the same way you can do the question number 17, and this is your homework for all of you. So question number 17, and you can try question number 18, 19, 20, or I'll do the question number 18 and 19 and 20 in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.